guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a completely different setting, but today I decided to record what I've been doing to my hair. I've been using the Olaplex hair perfector number 3. I've used it twice already and it has made a big difference in my hair, and I wanted to share the results with you guys. So a little background on my hair. My hair is curly, naturally curly. I do straighten my hair a lot. I do dye my hair a lot. I like to do big changes to my hair, so it is damaged. I am trying my best to take care of it, and now that the summer's coming, I do like wearing my hair curly more. So I was doing some research to see what I can do to help my curls come alive, and I stumbled upon the Olaplex hair perfector number 3. I've been using it for 2 weeks now, so I've done it twice. This is gonna be my 3rd time, and honestly it has changed my hair a lot. I am not a hair professional. I just love doing things at home. I like avoiding to spend money with somebody else, so I like to experiment and buy my own products and try them out myself. And since this has worked so well on my hair, I decided to share it with you guys. So since this intro is so long, let me stop. And if you guys are interested in watching, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to comment down below if you have any ideas, because you know any ideas are welcome. And yeah, so let's get started. The Olaplex hair perfector is not a conditioner, it is a bond builder for your hair. So this is not really going to work as a conditioner, so you do still have to condition your hair after using this. It does say to use it 1 time a week. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times a week. So I just use it once a week because I don't have time to do it more than once. And it says that you have to apply it on damped towel dried hair. So the first thing that I did was I untangled my curly hair, and then I wet my hair. So right now it is damped, and as you could see, it's pretty curly, but it could be curlier. But like I said earlier, I do blow dry my hair a lot, and I do dye my hair as well, so I do have damaged hair. But this is my 3rd time using it. This little bottle cost $28, so it is on the pricier side, but it is definitely worth it. So far I love this product. So the first thing that I do after I wet my hair, I like to section it into 3 parts so that I can disperse the product well. And I like to use clips, you know, to clip my hair. So I use these clips right here. And I am not trying to, you know, keep my hair curly forever. I am just trying to take care of them as much as possible, since I do like my curly hair as well. So that is that. So I like to leave a little piece back so that I can start off, and I just section it into 2, and then I will start with this side. So self-explanatory. I put this much, my hand right here. So I start off with this much, and then I work my way in. So it does say to make sure to like saturate your hair very well so that the product can penetrate the cuticles of your hair. So that's what I do. I feel like I was able to get this to work for three treatments because my hair is short right now, and that is the only reason why. But if I had longer hair, I think I would probably be able to use it just like 2 times, and that's it. So I just like to work the product into my hair, and it does have a subtle smell, like a scent, but it's not like something very, very strong, so that's good, I guess. And my hair feels soft when I apply it, so it's not like stiff or, you know, tangled. It's applying very well to my curls. It's been almost a month. I will turn a month tomorrow since I applied any heat to my hair, and I don't know exactly why. There's times that I just get tired of blow drying my hair and I just like giving my hair a break, but it is so hard in the morning to go to work. Like, I have to wake up extra early to figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair. So I think that is one of the reasons why I always end up straightening my hair, because it's so much easier in the morning. But since the summer is coming, I like to wear my hair curly more. And then when I go on vacation, I wear it curly. So yeah. And I haven't colored my hair since Thanksgiving. So it's been a couple of months now. It is April, about to be May tomorrow. So it's been a while since I dyed my hair. It's pretty crazy. And I haven't cut my hair either, so. But yeah, so as you could see, I work pretty fast with my hair and this product. Just apply a little bit in the palm of my hand and I just disperse it. I like to concentrate on the ends of my hair because that's where the most color damage is, and that's where the driest area is, because from here to here my hair is natural, so it doesn't need that much. My ends are the ones that need some saving. And also another thing is that, like, I go through stages where I say, oh, I'm gonna turn natural, I am going to wear my hair curly all the time, I'm not gonna dye it, I am not going to cut it, and then the next day I wake up and I'm just like, oh, no, never mind, I want to be a redhead and I want to cut my hair super short and straighten it. So it's like I never make up my mind when it comes to my hair. I always like to do really big drastic changes, and I feel like this is the longest I've been without changing my hair crazy. So I haven't cut it, I haven't dyed it, so that's pretty surprising if you ask me. So this part is already saturated. You see how fast that is? I'm gonna clip that and work on the last section. You see, it's like so weird, like curls, but then this part is like straight, so I like usually have to like scrunch it a lot so that it all curls. It's so annoying. I remember like during the fall, last year in the fall, I decided that it was a good idea for me to cut some curly bangs. And you know, that's, you know, just me making drastic decisions, and I regretted it, of course, a week later. So I had to wait for my hair to grow back. Thank God my hair grows back fast. That's why I don't really stress it much. But like, I just tend to make these drastic decisions and then I end up regretting them after. So you see this? You see how stringy this is? This is what drives me crazy. It's like, why can't you be as curly as the others? Why? Why are you making my life so miserable? So yeah, this is my struggle. For a long time, this part right here is my struggle. Alright, so after I apply the product all over my hair, what I like to do is run my fingers through my whole head and kind of like massage the product, making sure that all of the product penetrates very well. And sometimes if I feel like I need a little bit more, I would put just a little bit of more product to make sure that it is very saturated. So I like to work on my ends. So I grab a plastic cap that has two holes, of course, and I'm not gonna go get a new one, so this will do. So what I do is I like to put my hair in a little bun, kind of, and then I just bobby pin it. I'm just gonna use one bobby pin just so that it can hold like that, and then I would just wear this. And I would just, you know, do whatever I have to do around the house for like an hour and a half, or as long as I need to do anything. You just need to make sure that you leave it for at least 30 minutes. So I will go on with my day, and then I will come back and show you the final results. Alright, so I am back. I stayed with the product for around 2 hours, and then I went ahead and I washed my hair, I conditioned it, and styled it as I normally would. If you guys are interested in watching how I style my curly hair, then you can let me know in the comment section down below. I will be glad to record that video for you guys. But my final thoughts of this product is that I totally love it. My hair feels more moisturized, it feels shinier and stronger. My curls look better and more defined. As you could see, my hair is still pretty wet, but I am just gonna let it air dry. I don't want to diffuse it today. I am definitely gonna go buy another bottle so that I continue doing this treatment once a week. Did get this product, the Olaplex, in Sephora for $28. You can buy it online or at the store. I did buy it with my own money. This is not sponsored at all. This is something that I tried and that I truly like, and I see results. I seen results like the first treatment that I did, and the more that I did it, the better that my hair looked and felt. I noticed that today when I was detangling my hair, I wasn't losing that much hair. Like, there was not a lot of hair breakage, so that's a plus. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful in some way. If you have any questions or any suggestions, make sure that you leave it down in the section down below. I'm glad you guys watched this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.